Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to cook a dumpling. Let's first have a look at the ingredients. We start with cutting carrots on the long side and then cut those strips into small pieces. Put aside 50 grams of the shrimps for topping. Chop these roughly. The rest we will use for the filling of the dumpling. Crush these with a knife until they fall apart. In Thai cuisine, we use a lot of coriander roots, black pepper and garlic. Pound these ingredients well together. Use the spinner to grind the pork until very fine. Add everything into a mixed bowl and start mixing well by hand until it becomes one sticky piece. After that, cover with the plastic wrap and let it set in the fridge for 30 minutes. During we are waiting for the filling to set, I'm going to cut the pastry into a round shape. You can also just cut the four corners out. This is what we will need to start wrapping the dumplings. Never forget to apply any kind of oil on the bamboo steamer before steaming. Why? Because firstly, the pastry will not stick to the bamboo, and secondly, very easy to take it out when finished cooking. Add the filling in the middle of the pastry and use a spoon to spread around a thin layer. And start to fold it between your thumb and index finger to keep the dumpling in shape. Tap a few times on the bottom to firm it. Next, press a little bit on the top and then add the topping. this is it. I show you another two more. This is how you steam it. I put the bamboo on the pot with 2 cups of water already inside. Set the pot on high heat. When it starts to get hot, apply the garlic oil around the dumpling for a good smell and always cover with the lid until it's done. This is how to check if the dumpling is cooked. I use a toothpick and stab the dumpling. If nothing sticks into it, it's cooked and ready. Making a dipping sauce is very easy. You will need vinegar, sweet black sauce, and sugar. Set on medium heat. Stir until it gets a bit sticky. Next, add a bit of sliced chili. If you don't like this, skip it. Pour some deep-fried garlic on the top. This will give you a crispy crunch and extra smell. There you have it. Let's try it out. Super good. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.